unbeknownst to so many people around here, she is sort of like a spark plug for a lot of people. So I'm thinking that she would be the perfect person to be the engineer for the Hayley train right now. And what she's going to do is she's going to go around all these tables throughout this entire place, picking up more and more people to get aboard the Hayley train. And the idea is we're not going to stop until every person in this place has gotten aboard the Hayley train, and we've got a big old giant train going through this whole place right now. Everybody's doing a brand new dance now. Come on, baby, do the locomotion. We know you did tonight, give it a chance now. Come on, baby, do the locomotion. My little baby says you can do it with ease. Reach your nut in your ready says. Come on and do the locomotion with me. You got to swing your hips now. Come on, baby, jump up, jump up, jump back, jump back. Well, I think you got the knack. Whoa, whoa, now that you can do it, let's make it train now.